Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add tooltip name to a fillable text box using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open on fillable PDF and I'll add this text box tooltip name. Now click on this form option and here you will find a select field option and this field now active for editing. Now click on this text field again and click right button for your mouse cursor and select properties option and properties dialog box. Go general option and this tooltip name. Here you can see the tooltip name and now select close. This text box tooltip name now change and similar you can change this one tooltip name. Yeah, in this way you can change your fillable text box tooltip name and select hand option. Now click on this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.